Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on a 2013 Subaru Outback. We're just going to be checking some fluids. We're going to be checking the coolant reservoir and the radiator. Alright, so if you need any parts or instructional videos, you can always check us out down at 1aauto.com. Thanks. So here we go. We're going to come over. This right here is the overflow tank. Okay, there's no pressure behind this. This is pressurized, this is not pressurized. You should always wear safety glasses and gloves anytime you're dealing with fluid, whether it's pressurized or not. You can open this up. You could try to take a peek down in there if you want, but you could also do something like putting a flashlight down along the side and then just looking at the side. Along the side, you can see there's a line that says full, and there's a line down at the bottom that says low. As long as it's anywhere in between there, you're doing all right. So for where it is now, it looks perfect. I'm just gonna go ahead and close this back up. I'm gonna put on my safety glasses. Right now the engine is nice and cool. Everything's cool to touch. It's not hot. If this was hot, you wouldn't want to open it yet. All right, since it's cool, the vehicle hasn't been moving in a long time. I'm just gonna grab it, push down, turn to the left till it stops. And I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna slowly pull up. Like this. We'll look at our cap real quick. Make sure that our seals look good. They're not swollen or ripped or torn. That looks perfectly fine. Now we can look inside here. As you can tell, the fluid's right up at the top. It looks good. There's no real dirt or anything around there, so we'll know we'll make a good seal. We're just gonna take our cap, we'll put it right back on where we got it from. Turn it to the right until it's nice and tight. Wipe it down. And now we completed our service of checking the coolant reservoir and the radiator.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.